Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking the wheel off the bike and shifting to the smallest cog so the cassette is accessible. Once done, mount the wheel in a stand or lay it flat on a sturdy bench. This stabilizes work and prevents accidents. Use a chain whip to hold the cassette stationary and fit the lock ring tool into the lock ring splines. You should apply steady counterclockwise force with a 1/2 breaker or wrench. This breaks the seal and allows the lock ring to back off without damaging cogs. After the lock ring is loose, you can slide the cassette cogs and spacers off the freehub body one by one. Keep them in the same order to preserve spacing and indexing. Once off, inspect each cog for worn or bent teeth and check spacers for cracks. Replacing any faulty parts prevents shifting issues. While the stack is removed, clean the freehub splines and body with a degreaser. Be careful not to soak the pawls or bearings, because excess solvent can displace grease and introduce contamination. With parts clean, service the freehub by lightly greasing the splines and inspecting bearings. Replace any rough or noisy bearings to restore longevity. You then slide the cogs and spacers back on in the exact order they came off, making sure they seat fully on the hub shoulder. Thread and torque the lock ring to the manufacturer's specification. Over-tightening can damage threads, while under-tightening causes slippage. If you encounter binding or noise, one troubleshooting tip: check spacer alignment and retorque the lock ring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.